This is really cute, you guys. I'm really excited that this came out nice. Hey guys, my name is Kiana. If you're new here, welcome. Today I decided to do a little hair video for you guys. Don't mind my hair looking a little crazy right now. I'm gonna do a twist out on these flat twists that I did yesterday. So I'm gonna start off by telling you what I use to wash my hair, and then I will get into showing you guys how I take this down. Hopefully it looks good. If you guys experiment with your natural hair, you know sometimes things don't always come out the best. This is the first time I'm actually doing my twists like this. My hair's kind of short, so I just wanted to play around with different techniques just to see what works. So yesterday I washed my hair using Rasul clay. So I deep conditioned with this. This is from the Main Choice. It's called PAL Products Obsessively Working Collection. I really like this collection, so this is nice. And then for my leave-in, I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. It feels really lightweight when you apply it, but it definitely moisturizes your hair. So as a styler for my twists, I have a ton of samples, so I'm trying to use them up to figure out what I like and what I don't like. So I had this Miss Jessie's Honey Curl Sweet Almond Oils and Honey. It's a hair jelly. So it says it's excellent for wash and goes, coils, braids, and twists, natural styling, etc. So I recently bought this Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and I put this in between my parts because I do struggle with dry scalps. Alright, so enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down. So my hair is like 80% dry, still wet in some areas, so I'm going to go ahead and blow dry. I will be right back. So I'm gonna start. I'll start in the back and start to untwist, and I'll zoom in. Telling me I have to work tomorrow. Oh yeah, he gone mad. It's fat and wine and drinking by the barrel. Oh. So we have some definition, some frizz. Alright, I'm just gonna continue taking out the mess. When tomorrow comes, it's then I'm gonna start drinking rum. Won't stop until the bottle done. Just wait till tomorrow comes. Wait until tomorrow comes. Just wait till tomorrow. Okay, so this looks kind of, I don't know, I just know I need to pick this out. I like the definition, and I think the side would have came out better if it was more dry, but anyway, so I'm gonna pick, and I'm using this comb from Lotta Body just to start picking and fill in the gaps and see where we get. So I feel like this side looks really nice, like from this angle. And then this just kind of looks crazy over here. I'm gonna separate some of these to see if that makes a difference. I feel like it feels always like the driest. For my edges, I'm using the Main Choice Growth Stimulating Edge Control, and I have this edge brush that I just picked up at beauty supply. And I'm also gonna pin this to the side. Alright, I think we're done. I am surprised at how this came out actually, because I really wasn't sure what I was doing when I decided to flat twist my hair. This shape is really cute. I love the part on this side, the volume, and the definition. Yeah, I love it. So if you like how this came out, if you like how it looks, give me a thumbs up. Typically I do wash and goes like on a regular basis. I wash my hair about twice a week, sometimes once. And my normal go-to everyday style is a wash and go. If you guys want to see how I do my wash and go, then let me know down below. Also hit that subscribe button. I know it's right there, the little red button. Click that so you can become a part of the family, and you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.